Okay, on this lesson, I would like to teach you what paste special can do. Let's say that you have some totals right here and you're trying to set up your manager with only this right here, just his own worksheet, to where all he ever gets on here is the totals of the payroll. So first of all, we select, this is the total of the payrolls. First of all, what we want to do is right click or copy, either one. Right click is just quicker. Right click and I say copy. Click over to the manager's payroll. Right click in there and look, when you come down to paste special, you go across and you'll see way down here at the bottom, you'll see linked picture, paste link. That's what we're looking for. So you see, we click on it, and now what have you done? Any changes that are made to this payroll not only will reflect there, it also will reflect there. No, and I'm going to show you the difference between copy and paste. If you copy this and you paste it over here, that's a one-time thing. What I mean by that is if I change any of the payroll, this will not change. But if I use the paste special, it will. Watch. You see? 71, 21, 70. Let's do this. Now, do you see what it is? 730320. 730320. You see how powerful that is? That's called the paste special. Now it is linked. Anytime you make any changes to that payroll, it will reflect it on this worksheet that he's viewing. That's how you create a paste special.